Teacher moms, I see you. You are doing the best you can. You spend the day with other people's kids and come home to your own kids exhausted. Or if it's 2020, you teach other people's kids and your own kids at the same time with the same end results, exhausted. So, do me a favor. Instead of feeling guilty, pour yourself a 23rd cup of coffee and be kind to yourself, because no one is perfect. No teacher, no mother, and certainly not teacher mothers. Our brand is imperfection. Maybe our forgetfulness teaches our kids responsibility. Maybe the fact that we bought a cake at the last minute instead of making one from scratch doesn't matter as much as the smile on our kid's face as we sing happy birthday. Maybe the fact that our house is never clean is insignificant compared to the time we spent playing a game instead of washing the dishes one more time. Maybe those conversations in the car over the second day in a row of takeout food dinner as we travel in between here and there will be remembered forever. Maybe the fact that our kids are watching another movie because we just need a 10-minute nap is okay, because we are together. Maybe our just being there is enough.